Hey guys, Amor here. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you what to do when this happens. So, Mafex Batman vs Superman was notoriously known for having loose joints. And main reason for that are the weak plastics that Mafex use, which is such a shame because Batman vs Superman version of Superman had such a great mold. But this is its main fault. So actually, I've already broken one of the parts. So this is the assembly for the waist, for the hips and the waist. And as you can see here, I've already fabricated one made out of GI wire. So what happens is that usually this part breaks. And no matter what you do, this part will always give way. Doesn't matter if you don't force it, it will soon break like this. So what to do in case something like this happens? Well, you replace it with fabricated GI wire. Okay, here, to make it more sturdy. Unlike SHF, Mafex ball joint system can't be removed easily from the socket. So what we'll do here is we need to cut this part and drill a hole on the ball joint inside. So we need some tools to go on with this. First, we need a trusty hand drill or a router, and make sure that it's enough to be this size. Use a bit that is smaller than the thickness of the GI wire that you're going to use. Next up is we use some pliers, a vice grip, and long nose pliers. And finally, we'll be using a GI wire. So this is around 1 mm in thickness, as you can see. So we'll start operating on Superman right now. Okay, so what we have to do now is bend the wire with long nose pliers to make a hook, like so. Okay, so we've already made a small hook like so. And then when it's round enough, use pliers to push this side into this side so that it can become a circle. So can't push it. This until you make a little loop, and of course make sure that's straightened out like this. So after making a loop, you take two pliers, So we can make an extension right here and bend it around 90 degrees. So here it is, and we have to bend this a bit. So here's what it looked like right now. Okay, so we'll cut it in this part so that it will be embedded into the ball joint inside the hip. Finally, we end up with something like this. Okay. Next step would be cutting this ball joint at the attachment point right about here. So we'll use these side cutters to cut off the ball joint. So I've already cut the ball joint, and now we're going to drill a hole on this point and insert the assembly that we made. Okay, so after making the hole, you need to cut this to the right size and test fit it inside the hole. So there it is now. It's inside the hole. So this is just a test fit. And finalize, you need to put some super glue inside the hole and then screw in this part. So here it is now, all glued inside, and here's the other side. So this will make sure that these won't break anymore. So let's assemble Superman right now. So here's the finished assembly, and it's much sturdier right now since it's already made of metal. So let's assemble Superman and finish this video. So here is Superman with his metal hips installed. So as you can see, it's not as shaky as when it first came out of the box. Some of the Mafex Batman vs Superman figures were notoriously known for having loose legs right out of the box. So this fix not only fixed the damage but also fixed the looseness in his lower body. Okay guys, so here's Superman. He's all fixed up. So we can now call him Cyborg Superman as his hips are made of metal. So this has been our toy repair tutorial for today. I hope you liked the video. So if you liked the video, please press the like button, thumbs up button. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.